Hi everybody, welcome to my channel. My name is Dennis. So today we're going to cover a few things. First, PC sales are down. What do? Well, I'm going to show you. Sometimes you just got to take a different approach. The other thing I'm going to show you is the 7000 series CPU. Let's have a look at that and see what you can do to make sure the thermal paste just doesn't go everywhere. Okay, we're going to look at that and maybe something else. Here we go. So let's start first. I have a PC that I listed on my case, Kijiji. Couldn't sell it. Still have another one there. Couldn't sell. I've got a couple other computers here. They're not selling. And simply because everything has become so pricey, even though I keep my prices down, it's just too much. People don't have the money these days. So what do you do instead? Well, I decided to do a trade. And what did I get for my trade? Let's have a look. So, when all else fails, you can't get rid of your PC, you do a trade for a PS5. So I got the what comes with it, the charger for the cable, the PS controller, and of course how to use it all. Hooked it all up, and it works great. It was severely dirty, had to clean it out. Doesn't take very much. Cleaned it all out, and I'm good. It works, and I'm happy. I didn't have to pay $1,000 for it. You know, so sometimes you just got to make trades and see where you can go from there. Okay, so I don't know how many of you have seen the 7000 series for CPUs from AMD, but you can see these cutouts, all right? So when you put thermal paste on here, it's going to spread. Now you can use a spreader and do that if you wish. That might make a big difference. It'll help. You can do it that way. But I wanted to do something different. So I got this. It's from Noctua. So it's Noctua's NASTPG1. So AM5 thermal paste guard and cleaning set. Okay, show you that real close just in case you want to order one. So that's what it is. Okay, designed by Noctua. AM5 thermal paste guard and cleaning set. Okay, so you're going to get a bunch of wipes. You're going to get this. When you take this out, it's going to fit down and it's going to fit into these and cover these. All right, so what that does is when you put your thermal paste on, it's not going to spread all over and get into these divots. All right, it's not going to get in there and then you're going to spend hours trying to clean it out. I think that's brilliant. We'll see how it goes when I actually do a build with it and everything else like that. So those are just a few things I wanted to bring up. Okay, so the only other thing I want to mention is they had mentioned that the graphics cards for AMD, there was an issue with that. One of the drivers broke things, and same for the CPU. So as far as I know, the last thing I've watched is they put out new stuff. The GPU, it's going to take a little bit. They're saying not to update that driver right now to the most current one. Wait a little bit. They said 2 weeks, maybe it'd be sooner. And for the CPU, they've already fixed the issue where the 7600X didn't use all its cores. That's been fixed. That's been remedied. So there's a fix out there for that. So you can go out and get it. So anyway, that's a bunch of stuff put together for you to show you some of the stuff that's going on, some of the stuff you need to be aware of. And if you don't want to get thermal paste all over your brand new CPU, a device that you can get to do it. There is one out there by Thermal Grizzly. It's not the right size. It does not fit at all from me. Maybe I'm doing it wrong, but I tried it. It's completely different size from the one that does work. Which to me means that, I don't know what they're using it on. Anyhow, that's the video. If you like it, if you found something interesting, let me know. There is some new stuff for the PS5. If you're interested in that, maybe I'll do some videos on that. Anyway, if you like the video, hit it the like. Leave me a comment if you didn't like it and you want to see something else. If you're new here, think about subscribing. Hit that bell for notifications for videos as they come up. And as always, thanks for watching. Have a good one.